Primer, Basecoat, Clear. One complete spray gun kit. This 3-piece HVLP spray gun set includes 3 nozzle sizes: 1.0, 1.4, and 1.8 millimeter. Designed for every stage of automotive refinishing, use the 1.0 millimeter gun for detailed touch-ups and tight spaces, the 1.4 millimeter gun for base coats and clear coats, and the 1.8 millimeter gun for primers and heavier coatings. Each spray gun features fully adjustable controls for spray pattern, fluid flow, and air pressure, giving you complete control over every pass. Our high-velocity, low-pressure design delivers smooth, consistent coverage with reduced overspray, making it ideal for both small repairs and full panel jobs. The kit also includes aluminum cups, an inline air pressure regulator with moisture filter, and cleaning and maintenance tools. Compatible with standard air compressors and a wide range of paint types, this spray gun set is perfect for do-it-yourselfers and professional shops alike. One kit, every application, professional results. Trusted for 50 years, innovators in color, quality, and service. TCP Global.